Here's my dusty old boat project. It's an SV27 hull. I installed a EP1 electric outboard. I have upgraded phosphor bronze gears. I don't run it very often, about once every 2 years. I even finished work on the back. Made a jack plate going through, a shaft going through the hull. That works the power trim. Years ago I had a 360 rotation servo right here with a 3-channel radio. I would flip the switch, the servo turns, and as the servo turns, it gives you fine trim of the motor. It just takes a lot of turns by hand. The motor is going up. And down. It's just a simple screw drive. As this rod turns, well, let me show you. I made a custom bracket on the transom. I machined this aluminum cup. Behind it is a thrust bearing. This whole tube goes all the way to the transom and it's packed with O-rings and like some sponge seals, greased. And then the same thing on the outside. I made a matching aluminum cap, and I believe there's 2 or 3 O-rings in here packed with grease, and it's a hollow rod with threads on the inside. And on the bottom side, see if I can show you this. There's just a piece of plastic in there, and there's a head of a bolt. It's a bolt about 1.25 inches long that threads through here and into this rod. So when you turn the rod, see if I can do it from the outside. My fingers are too fat. When you turn the rod, it unscrews the bolt, and when the bolt unscrews, it pushes the motor up. It's a simple design. It can go higher. I have this bolt temporarily in there as a locking pin. Because if I pull the pin out, it allows the motor to kick up in the event of hitting something. But when you try to reverse, the motor just pops out of the water. So I found that was the best method, just to give it a little bit of float to allow the trim to work. I don't run it very often. I think I may go ahead and run it tomorrow. I gave it a quick test. Everything is operational. Except for the trim, of course. This is only a 2-channel radio, which I can't convert it to 3. Sounds like it needs some lube in the lower unit. But yeah, that's my power trim, my old boat.